Have you ever wondered why Toyota RAV4 owners seem to hold onto their vehicles like precious family heirlooms? We don't talk just about brand loyalty. Owners of this SUV are deeply convinced that selling their car would be one of the biggest mistakes they could make. Let's check out 7 reasons why Toyota RAV4 owners get furious when asked to sell. Number 7. Reliability, foundation of trust. The primary reason RAV4 owners view their vehicle as untouchable is Toyota's legendary reliability that goes far beyond simple brand reputation. This isn't just marketing talk, it's a tangible quality that owners experience every single day through trouble-free ownership that spans decades, not just years. Toyota built the current generation RAV4 on their revolutionary TNGA-K platform, which provides a foundation that's 57% more rigid than the previous generation. This increased structural integrity creates a vehicle that feels solid and well built for 200,000 miles and well beyond, minimizing the development of squeaks, rattles, and those annoying issues that plague other SUVs as they age. The powertrain choices are a deliberate exercise in long-term durability. The 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine deliberately avoids complex turbochargers that can fail, instead favoring a naturally aspirated design optimized for efficiency and an incredibly long service life. The hybrid system represents over 2 decades of Toyota's real-world development, featuring a planetary gear set-based ECVT with fewer moving parts and no traditional friction belts to wear out. This profound mechanical integrity creates a psychological shift in how owners view their vehicle. The fear of unexpected 5-figure repair bills that haunts owners of aging luxury SUVs is largely absent with the RAV4, making owners develop an almost emotional attachment to a machine that proves itself reliable year after year. Number 6. Excellent fuel economy with the hybrid. The RAV4 hybrid's powertrain isn't just efficient, it's a financial game-changer that provides compelling long-term incentives to never let go of the vehicle. Owners consistently experience real-world fuel economy that meets or exceeds EPA estimates of up to 41 miles per gallon city and 38 miles per gallon highway, achieved through Toyota's sophisticated hybrid system. This system seamlessly blends power from the Atkinson cycle gasoline engine with its electric motors, creating operations so refined that the vehicle can operate in electric-only mode during low-speed driving. This makes it exceptionally efficient in stop-and-go traffic, where traditional engines are at their absolute worst. But here's the real kicker. The RAV4 hybrid's fuel economy remains highly competitive even against brand new models hitting the market. For owners of the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid, this advantage becomes even more dramatic. With up to 42 miles of all-electric range, many owners complete their entire daily driving routine without using any gasoline. This sustained class-leading efficiency becomes a core part of the vehicle's value proposition that owners refuse to give up. An owner contemplating a new vehicle faces a simple but painful calculation. Selling the RAV4 hybrid would almost certainly mean committing to significantly higher annual fuel expenditures for years to come. Number 5. Spacious and practical cabin. Beyond its mechanical excellence, the RAV4's interior design represents a triumph of practical space management that allows it to adapt to an owner's changing life needs. This eliminates the common motivation to upgrade to a larger vehicle as families grow or lifestyle needs change. The cabin provides generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, while large windows and upright seating position create an open, airy feeling that provides excellent visibility and makes the SUV incredibly easy to maneuver. The vehicle's cargo hauling capability is where things get really impressive. With rear seats in place, the RAV4 offers 37.6 cubic feet of space, among the best in its class. When more space is needed, the 60/40 split-folding rear seats drop nearly flat to open up a cavernous 69.8 cubic feet of volume. What makes this space truly special is how thoughtfully it's designed. The cargo area features a low load floor, wide aperture, and minimal wheel well intrusion, making it incredibly easy to load heavy or awkward items like furniture boxes or camping gear. This do-it-all nature prevents the vehicle from being outgrown, making it a long-term solution for life's demands. Number 4. Ergonomics. In an era of frustrating touch-only interfaces and confusing menu systems, Toyota deliberately engineered the RAV4's cabin for ease of use that borders on the therapeutic. This thoughtful approach creates a stress-free environment that owners deeply appreciate over years of ownership. The climate control system operates through large, rubberized, easy-to-grip knobs that can be adjusted without taking your eyes off the road, even while wearing winter gloves. The volume knob and key audio controls are also physical, providing immediate, intuitive access that never requires hunting through digital menus. menus. Storage solutions throughout the cabin are clever and practical. There's a signature shelf built into the dashboard that's perfect for smartphones, a large center console that can swallow purses and laptops, and generously sized door pockets that actually hold water bottles securely. Even the infotainment screen is mounted high on the dashboard, positioned in the driver's line of sight to minimize distraction. This focus on straightforward, tactile ergonomics makes the RAV4 incredibly easy to live with daily. There's no frustrating learning curve, no technology that gets in the way of driving, and everything works exactly as you expect it to. Number 3. Long list of safety features. Toyota's decision to standardize their advanced safety suite across all trim levels provides owners with a tangible and enduring sense of security. Every current generation RAV4 comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a comprehensive system of active safety features that work tirelessly to prevent accidents. This isn't an expensive option. It's a core part of the vehicle's identity. The system includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection that can alert the driver and apply brakes automatically to mitigate or avoid frontal impacts. Full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control maintains a set following distance from the vehicle ahead, functioning all the way down to a complete stop. This transforms heavy traffic from a stressful ordeal into a manageable commute. Lane departure alert with steering assist helps prevent the car from drifting out of its lane, while road sign assist displays warnings directly on the instrument panel. These features aren't something that owners forget about. They're practical driver aids that remain relevant for years, constantly working to keep families safe. For many RAV4 owners, selling their vehicle would feel like willingly accepting a lower standard of safety. Number 2. Comfortable ride. One of the most transformative reasons owners fall in love with their RAV4 is its comfortable and composed ride quality that results from the TNGA-K platform. This sophisticated foundation allows engineers to fit a refined multi-link rear suspension. The result is a vehicle that glides over bumps and broken pavement with poise that completely contradicts its rugged appearance. Unlike older SUVs that felt truck-like and jarring, the current RAV4 absorbs road imperfections with minimal intrusion into the cabin. On highways, it feels stable, planted, and surprisingly quiet. In corners, the added structural rigidity and advanced suspension reduce body roll dramatically, giving drivers confidence and control that's not something you would expect from a Toyota SUV. While the handling isn't exactly class-leading compared to some sportier competitors, it's more than decent for the segment, providing a balanced driving experience that satisfies most owners. This refined driving experience provides constant, positive reinforcement for owners. Every commute becomes more pleasant and less stressful. Once owners become accustomed to this comfort and composure, the thought of returning to a harsher, less stable ride becomes a significant deterrent to selling. Number 1. Excellent resale value. While it might seem paradoxical to discuss resale value for a vehicle that owners refuse to sell, it's actually one of the most critical underlying factors in their satisfaction. The Toyota RAV4 consistently holds its value better than almost any other vehicle in its class, frequently earning top honors from industry experts. This exceptional value retention acts as both a financial safety net and constant affirmation that owners made an exceptionally smart purchasing decision. The high resale value results from sterling reputation for reliability, desirable fuel economy, practical design, and broad market appeal. The market demand for used RAV4s is absolutely immense, often creating situations where dealers struggle to keep them in inventory. This means an owner's vehicle depreciates far slower than competitors, effectively preserving their capital. After 3, 5, or even 7 years of ownership, the RAV4 will still retain a significant percentage of its original purchase price, something vehicles from most other manufacturers simply cannot achieve. RAV4 owners recognize that selling their vehicle and buying something from a competing brand would likely mean taking a much larger depreciation hit. The RAV4 represents a stable, secure automotive asset that actually protects wealth rather than destroying it. When you own a vehicle that delivers exceptional reliability, outstanding efficiency, practical versatility, advanced safety, supreme comfort, and maintains its value better than almost anything else on the market. The question isn't why RAV4 owners get furious when asked to sell. The real question is why anyone would ever want to give up such an excellent machine in the first place. But let's be perfectly straight, the RAV4 isn't the only SUV owners want to keep forever. Check out this video about the reasons why 2026 Honda CR-V owners will never sell it. With the new set of updates, Honda's bestseller will only solidify its status of the most complete model in the class even more.